guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make business tags. So the first thing you want to do is go to Avery.com and then you want to type in a certain number. So they have different kind of tags, but I'm going to type in 22802. And this is what you want to buy. So you can buy this from Amazon, you can buy this from Office Depot, or you can just buy it straight off of Avery. It doesn't matter. So Avery has for $14.39. I'm not sure what Amazon has it for, but I know Office Depot has it for $20. So you'll probably get it best on Amazon or Avery itself. So it's very easy to do this. So first thing we're going to do is go back to the template, because that is how we're going to design our tags today. And you can download it on Microsoft Word, Photoshop, Illustrator, or Adobe PDF. But you can also design it on Avery.com. So I'm going to hit Start Designing. And you can choose which one you want. Either you can do, you can design it with the hole on the left side, or you can design it with the hole on the top. So I'm just going to do the left side. So hit select this template. Okay, so here are the different designs they have. If you don't like any of these designs, you can also customize it, or you can just start from scratch and just upload your own design by clicking this right here. So first I'm just gonna browse these and then I'll do my own design. Okay, so since it is the holidays, I'm going to choose something with the holidays. I want to do something that says Merry Christmas because it is December, but then I do like Happy Holidays at the same time. Okay, I don't know what that is. So I'm just going to choose something because I am very picky and this will take all day. So this is what it looks like. This is just telling you how to edit. You can edit them individually, or you can just do all together. So for example, let's say I want to say Happy Holidays from Marisa Cosmetics. Now you can put whatever you want to put on here, but this is just what I'm going to put. And then you can also change the font. So let's highlight this first and then we can change the font. Okay, so the font is not changing. Okay, here we go. So you can choose different fonts. They do have cursive fonts. My favorite font would probably have to be the lobster one. I think that's pretty. But they do have a lot of different fonts. That's pretty too. Okay, we're not going to spend all day on that. And then we can also change the color. Let's say I want black. Oh, black is pretty. Or I want pink. Anything like that. I'm going to do black. Okay, you just want to make sure that it's in this area, otherwise it will get cut off. Okay, so once you get to this page, you just want to go ahead and hit get PDF to print, save the template, save your account. You can name it whatever you want to name it. Okay, hit okay. Then you want to download PDF. So it's going to open up whatever softwares you have. Like I have Adobe, so that's what it's going to open up in. If you don't have Adobe, I have no idea what it's going to open up in. So what I'm going to do is hit print, and then you're all done. Again, these are the labels that you want, and you can get these off Amazon, Home Depot, Avery, and just make sure you type in this number when you're making the template. And it comes with 96 tags. They are white. They're 2 inches by 3.5. And make sure that they say inkjet if you have an inkjet printer, or make sure they say laser printer if you have a laser printer. But yep, so I'm just going to open this up and put the paper in the printer and show you guys how they turn out. Okay, so how you break these up is you just want to like fold this in half. So I'm just going to fold it in half like this. And then I'm just going to fold it downwards like that. So you just keep folding it in like these little sections. And then it'll come loose like this. Okay, so the cards are all done. You can kind of like just peel this white stuff off the bottom, or like the edge, and like this right here, that can be peeled off too. And you can kind of like clean it up in here. But this is just for demonstration. Okay, so here's one example of a card I have. Here's the other kind. And we have the Happy Holidays, enjoy 10% off. And then we have the Happy Holidays from Rich Cosmetics. Again, all this can be peeled off. So you just want to open up your bag, or if you have a jewelry bag, or you have custom bags. If you want to know how I got these custom bags, check out my custom bags video on my channel. So you just want to put your glosses in. I'm just going to put one in, for example. Close it up like that. Put your business card in there if you have a business card. And don't forget to put your labels on your lip gloss. For this part, you just want to open this up like this. Now, if you could put this on one side, yeah, I recommend putting this on one string, not on both strings. But you just want to put the string, the tags do come with these strings. So all you want to do is just put the hole through like that, like this, and then you just want to put it through one string of the bag. Man, everything is like 10 times harder to do on camera. Okay, so put the one string of the bag like this till I have it through one side, and then you just want to close this together. Let me not look at the camera. So I just leave it like that. Something like this. So that is what it would look like. So again, this one just says Rich Cosmetics, Merry Christmas. So like that. Again, all the white stuff on the side can be peeled off. So I'm going to do this for another card to see what it would look like. So I'm just going to pull that loose like that. Again, I did not put it on there tightly because I was going to remove it. So I'm just going to put this hole through like that. Like that until it snaps in place like that. I really put that on here too tight, which I should not have done. But yeah, again, this is what it would look like with the tag. Like this saying, Happy Holidays from Arista Cosmetics. So I think that's very cute. It's something you can do for the holidays, like Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever holiday it is. Or you can just put this every day, but just, you know, change up the words. So yeah, it'll say Happy Holidays from Arista Cosmetics. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.